Hey, today I'm going to be doing some spooky polish for Halloween. So if you want to see that, just stick right around. So, like I said, we're going to be doing some spooky polish, so I'll just get right into it. Okay, so I've already filed and shaped my nails. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a peel off base coat. Now for that purple. This is actually stamping polish. I typically wouldn't recommend painting with stamping polish, but I don't have that much purple regular polish. So we're gonna go for it, and this is such a beautiful color. Look how beautiful that is, wow. Most of the trick to not getting polish on your nails is just to do not back the brush up all the way to your cuticles. And then if you do get anything on your nails, you just want to go in really quick with a fingernail and wipe it away. I mean, if you want to get fancy and you have a brush, that'll work too, but there's no reason to be that fancy. This is the Lazy Girl channel. I'm showing you how to do things easily. I almost forgot a very important step. You always want to cap your nails. Like I said, I'm not going to be wearing these for very long, so that's part of why I didn't remember, but definitely this helps longevity. You especially want to do this with your top coat. It's even more important with the top coat because that is the layer that holds everything in. Okay, time to top coat. Always do gel top coat. So here is a gel top coat. I've been liking this one a little bit more. Susie, she recommended it. It's fairly inexpensive and it's really plump. Gel polish is already more plump than regular polish when you put it on, but this one is even more so. Okay, we're all cured. Oh, I'll show you some of the magic of gel. So if you look at my thumb there, you can see there's like a big unsightly dent in there. Part of that is my application job wasn't great, but the other part of that is that my thumbs have really big ridges in them. And now I'll just show you after I apply the gel and cure it. There we go. Even prior to curing, you can see how much smoother that is. Ooh, so smooth. So here, I'm gonna cure it. Okay, I think this is no wipe top coat. At least it doesn't seem to have a sticky layer, so that's good. Okie doke. So next, should I stamp or should I do the glitter nail? Let's do the glitter nail. Here we go. This is Sparkle & Co. Base Bond. This is made for dipping, so I'm not gonna actually be using a dip, but Base Bond is glue. So I'm gonna basically dip my finger in here after, or maybe it'd be easier if I dipped it in the lid. There we go, look at that pretty glitter. So then I'm just gonna have a full glitter nail and I'm gonna top it with that gel top coat after I'm done. Ooh, look at that. Oh, look at that, it's beautiful. Oh, so glittery. Yes. So it'll have a little bit less shine when I top coat it, but it'll still be pretty spectacular. Okay, so something happened that's pretty common when you do these thick coats, that at the edge here, there's a little bit built up, so you just take a little file and file down that side. So you're just gonna file that down a little bit. So where I'm filing, it is turning matte. This is actually the best way to get a matte top coat, in my opinion, because normal matte top coats that you brush on can flake off and they'll get worse over time. If you achieve matte this way, it's not going to flake off. Okay, so since I just mattified that, all you have to do to get that shiny again is put more top coat on and cure it again. So so that's what I'll do. I'll just do a really thin layer this time since I did such a thick layer last time. Make sure this is see, even before I cure it, you can see the shine come back. Okay, so I think that that glitter nail is done. It is gorgeous. Ooh, so pretty. Okay, so on to the stamping, which I love. Love me some stamping. So I have all these plates here, and I think we're gonna do these guys right here because those are so cute. Maybe that one though too. You should always use a jelly stamper. I've had some people tell me that they're hard to work with. I think if you start with it, then it's not going to be hard to work with it. Mine's a little bit messy. So you clean your stamper with tape. Doop, 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 doop. And I just like to stick it on the sheet. Done. Okay, so now it's nice and clean. You do want to be ready to stamp immediately. Make sure you have your scraper nearby. Try to keep my hand out of the way. Oh, that's not enough paint. Make sure you have enough paint on there. Let's get in the bottom of the design. That might have already been too long, so you do have to go quickly. All right. Let's see if that'll do. Yep, that picked up beautifully. So if you see that? Oh. Okay, so the amount of time it took me to show you that is about all the spare time that you have. So place it down quickly. So once that starts drying on the stamper, it's not gonna let go. Oh, look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, I can't even stand it. Ooh, I just love stamping. Look at that, so cute. This little skeleton guy right here, he's pretty cute. Maybe I should just put him. Pick up the kitties, gonna pick up this arm from his friend here. It's a little bit hard to see what I'm doing with. Basically, I'm picking up any excess that doesn't belong to the skeleton dude because we only want him. There. Okay. So I think he should go on the, maybe on my thumb. Yeah. Put him on my thumb. There. Oh. Okay, see, he didn't want to stick down because I waited too long. Come on, please stay. Okay. With a little bit more swooshing, I got him to stay down. He's not perfect, but look, even when he's a little messed up, he's still cute. Stamping's just magical, you guys. Stamping's the best. Okay. So got it up again and down. Okay. I do not use the latex to protect my skin because of gel top coat, magical gel top coat. So let me just show you what you can do. All right, now the magic of the gel top coat again. You probably already guessed what was gonna happen, but that's what happens. Ooh. So I'm just taking an acetone soaked cotton pad and just going to town there, and it doesn't touch anything under the gel top coat. So I might recommend to use the latex method over that method if you are using black or a dark colored stamping polish, because it'll kind of smear it around sometimes, especially if you have a lot on your skin. So you can definitely still use this method, you just will have to use more acetone and more of the pads. But look, isn't that magical? It's pretty magical. I think these are so cute, you guys. So, what do you guys think? Jarvie likes them, don't you? Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so as you can see, the gel polish, it really makes it smooth and shiny. So I do like that about it. And you guys saw how easy they were to do, just super easy. Good for lazy girls. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Did you enjoy it, Jarvie? He's like, no, I didn't enjoy it. I don't know what you're doing. That's what he says. Guess what he says, huh? He's a good boy. All right, well, if you liked the video, please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below telling me what you'd like to see me do next. All right, bye-bye, you guys.